Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's learn colors name: blue, orange, green, pink, yellow, brown, pink, red, sky blue, black and violet color. Pink color: A, 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 A for apple, A for aunt, A for alligator, A for aunt. Green color: B, B for bat, B, B for balloon, B, B for ball, B, B for bat, C, C for cat, C, C for cup. Blue color: C, C for car, C, C for cycle. Black: D, D for dolphin, D, D for drum. Violet color: D, D for door, D, D for dinosaur. Kids, read again. A for apple, A for aunt, A for aeroplane, A for apple, B for bat, B for balloon, B for ball, B for basket, C for cat, C for car, C for cycle, C for cake, D for drum, D for dinosaur, D for dog, D for duck. Kids, thanks for watching.